The 2025 Ram Tradesman 4x4 Crew Cab 6-foot 4-inch box is a rugged and reliable truck that is perfect for both work and play. With a starting MSRP of $50,000, this truck offers great value for its price. Under the hood, the 2025 Ram Tradesman is powered by a twin-turbo regular, unleaded inline-6 engine, delivering 420 horsepower and 469 pound-feet of torque. The truck also has a locking rear differential and a multi-link suspension for optimal performance. One of the standout features of the 2025 Ram Tradesman is its powerful drivetrain, which includes a four-wheel drive system and an automatic transmission. This combination provides excellent performance both on and off-road. In terms of fuel efficiency, this truck gets an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city, 24 miles per gallon on the highway, and 20 miles per gallon combined. The exterior is both stylish and functional. The crew cab body style offers plenty of space for passengers and cargo, while optional features like a bed liner, pickup bed tonneau cover, and running boards enhance its utility. The truck also comes with a trailer hitch receiver for towing capabilities. Inside, the 2025 Ram Tradesman offers a comfortable and convenient driving experience. Features like a backup camera, cruise control, remote engine start, and adjustable steering wheel make driving this truck a breeze. The interior can accommodate up to 6 passengers, with ample headroom, legroom, and cargo space. Entertainment and technology features include options for AM/FM stereo, satellite radio, Wi-Fi hotspot, and smart device integration. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Ram Tradesman, with airbags, ABS brakes, electronic stability control, and various driver assistance features like blind spot monitoring and lane departure warning. Overall, the 2025 Ram Tradesman 4x4 Crew Cab 6-foot 4-inch box is a versatile and capable truck that is well equipped for any adventure. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or tackling rough terrain, this truck has the power and features to get the job done.